Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to remove background of the image in your Canva presentation. So the first thing that we are going to do is of course to create presentation. Okay? Okay, let's create presentation here. Let's choose a background first that we can use in our presentation. So let's say we are going to choose environment. Okay, let's say this one. So kindly choose this uh, photos here as our background. Okay. Now after that, I am going to teach you now how to remove background in your image using this Canva tool. Okay. So let's first choose an image that we're going to remove the background. So let's upload files. Oh, by the way, I already teach you how to add image in your Canva presentation. So we have two ways. You can watch that in our previous video. Okay, so now let's choose this. So you can see this Tweety bird icon here have the background. Let's say we want to remove that background. So what are we going to do? So kindly click that image, and then after that, once we click that image, click edit image at the left side, and then kindly click this BG remover. It means background remover, and after that it automatically remove the background of your image. Okay, so that will be all for today.